Hello everyone, welcome to Lash London Live, where we bring you fabulous content.
I'm Fibre Falcone and this is my niece.
And I'm Viviana Tolino, and this is my auntie.
Together we are the co-founders of
Lash London.
Keeping your eyelashes clean guarantees multiple uses and long-lasting eyelashes.
Today's video is all about lash foam and how to clean your lashes at home.
How to clean your lashes using LASH FOAM Eyelash Cleanser. Step 1. Soak. Add 3 to 4 pumps of lash foam into a clean dish. Submerge your eyelashes into the lash foam and allow to soak for 5 to 10 minutes. Using our eyelash cleansing brush, proceed to step 2, cleaning. Hold the eyelashes in place with tweezers. Brush over the eyelashes and lash band, removing any excess self-adhesive eyeliner and makeup. Lash foam is perfume and oil free to gently clean and nourish, leaving your lashes soft and fluffy like new. We recommend to clean your lashes after each use for good hygiene. Step 3. Rinse. To rinse, place your lashes into a clean bowl of water or rinse under running water to remove any lash foam residue. Step 4. Dry. Finally, remove any excess water using a clean tissue. If needed, separate and loosen any hairs clumped together using a clean spoolie brush. Now your lashes are clean and conditioned, replace them back into your Lash London box they came in to keep them clean between wears. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share to reach all of the lash lovers on YouTube.
If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when we upload a new video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below.
And if you'd like to purchase our lash foam or eyelashes and liners, please visit www.lashlondon-uk.com to view the full Unleash the Lash collection.
Thank you for watching and have a fabulous week. Bye!